Today we are making a super creamy chai hot chocolate. It's like chai latte but with chocolate. It's also dairy-free and vegan. Let's jump into it. What we'll need is cocoa powder, some dark chocolate, and coconut milk drink. For the chai spices, we use these ingredients: cinnamon, fennel, peppercorns, cardamom, cloves, ginger. We'll also need a small cheesecloth like this one, where we'll put our chai spices. Don't worry if you don't have one. We'll tell you how to do the same using a sieve later on. Okay, let's add the peppercorns, fennel, ginger, cloves, and cinnamon sticks into the sachet. Let's also add the cardamom seeds, which we'll have to take out of their husks. There should be a couple of seeds per pod. We don't need too many, as they are very flavorful. By the way, you can also use a pre-made chai mix if you don't have access to all the individual ingredients. Okay, now close the sachet if you are using it, and let's head over to the cookers. Pour the milk into a deep pot. Then add in our sachet of spices. If you don't have the cheesecloth, add the ingredients directly to the milk and then use a sieve to filter them out. Now turn on the heat to a medium and let's simmer the chai milk. We want the chai spices to release all their exquisite flavor into the milk. Once the milk comes to a light boil, simmer for 10 minutes. Feel free to stir and move the sachet around every once in a while. We suggest using either coconut or oat milk for dairy-free and vegan chai chocolate, as they are thicker than other varieties and will give us a creamier result. Coconut is our first choice here, as it pairs wonderfully well with the chai spices. Once ready, we move on to the chocolate. Take out the sachet and set it aside if you want to make more chai drinks later. Careful as it's hot. Now add the cocoa powder. We like to use a sieve to get rid of any lumps. Stir the powder with a spoon until it's well dissolved. Now for a little trick we learned from our local chocolatier. Add 1 or 2 squares of chocolate for each cup into the milk. The cocoa butter will melt and add extra creaminess and flavor to a chai chocolate. You could even just use dark chocolate, but we like to use cocoa powder to keep the fats low. One last trick for you. Let's make a frothy cream without using any other ingredients. Grab a narrow jar and pour in 2 fingers of hot chocolate. If you don't have a frother, you can seal the jar and give it a good shake. Otherwise, dip in the frother just below the surface and turn it on. Look at this beautiful chocolatey frothing. Keep at it until it doubles in height. Time to serve your chocolate in your favorite mug. We are using a transparent cup, so you can see how much chocolate and frothing to use. We hope you'll enjoy this as much as we did. Please give us a thumbs up if you liked the video and subscribe for more super healthy and delicious recipes. Thanks, bye!